Hello everyone, testing out a recent train show find. There was a small local train show in my area at a fireman's hall, and I decided to check it out. They had a lot of O-gauge, as they always do, and there was a guy there selling a good amount of HO, and I found this later Bachmann Spectrum gas electric Doodlebug, painted for the Boston and Maine. Now, I had one of these years ago, and it was an early version, which had a different drive system. This has a little bit more robust drive, but it's also got some problems, and you'll probably be able to hear in the video here. Kind of hear that thud. I think I've got a cracked gear on the front drive axle. The rear one seems to be okay, but the interior light is working, and the headlight works in directional. Everything is here. There's nothing broken or missing, except for that axle gear. And I have the box and all the paperwork. For the price, I thought it was a good deal, and I was thinking about chopping it up and possibly making a M1 for the East Broad top out of it. Now, I know that's narrow gauge and this is standard gauge, but I think I can make something look pretty cool. So if I do go down that road and decide to kit bash this, I'll make another video for everyone to see. That's about it.